This is Style 101 with me, Leslie, and I want to talk to you about today's topic, which is finding your most flattering colors. It starts by looking at the tones that you have or your undertones. So starting with looking at your veins, look and see what color your veins are. If they happen to be blue or purple, you're likely a cool color. If your veins run in the green color, similar to mine are green, then you're probably a warm tone. If you can't really tell which of the other two you are, most likely you're a neutral undertone. Now, some people have both a cool and a warm tone. You may have an undertone that's yellow, but you may have a cool tone to your complexion, and that is perfectly okay as well. If you tend to be a cool, then cool colors on the color wheel are going to be your most flattering colors. So you'll look at those cool tones like blues and greens and light yellow, maybe even deep purples. Pinks will look great on you as well. You can wear reds that are in the rose red category, reds that are cooler. Ruby is a great red. Silvers and grays will work on cool tones. For those of you that are warm tones, you're gonna wear a lot of those fall colors. So those rich jewel tone colors that you see in the fall, those warm shades of ivory and brown, those golds, those deep golds and oranges, amber, those dark reds, even violet red, orchid, olive green, and anything in the jewel tone category will work really well on you as well. So just think of those rich tones that you see in the autumn, and then you'll be just fine. And then take your colors and then go experiment. You can go shopping, you can go get swatches from your local fabric store, and you can just try out different colors when you go shopping and see what works against your skin tone. So if you have any questions, let me know, send me a DM, or just reach out through our website. You could go to www.lwatelier.com, and you can either send a note, you can sign up, or you can schedule an appointment with us and we'll talk to you more. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you a little bit later. That was a quick note on Style 101. Take care. Bye-bye.